Movement. Oh yeah, don't love for Funke Akindele live in UAE. Get to this. It's going to be showing Novo Cinemas in UAE, Dubai, Sharjah, and of course, Abu Dhabi. Oh yeah, the bolewa. Let's turn up for Funke Akindele this weekend. 21, 22, 23, 24, and of course 25. Funke Akindele is gonna do what? Show us get to this swagger. Oh yeah, let's come out and mass to come and show love for Funke Akindele. You know what now? You know Lefty, boss. Alright, and my guy, please, you got to have to book online. Book the tickets online. Guess how much? It's just 35 dirham with VAT. No matter. It's just a chicken money. Let's come out and man to come and show support for Funke Akindele. It's gonna be loud. Shani Dubai, Shani Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, am I banging? Hey boys, hey babes, let's come and show Funke Akindele our own Naija. If you be Naija and you know God, that means you know be true Naija. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. If you don't call Saturday, come Sunday. If you don't call Sunday, come Monday. What's it happen now? Movement. See you there. MC Bobby go there.
I can't wait to see you all.
Movement.
I love you all. Let's say Seria. Mais la parole dit dit so ya parole
Mogabo they find me. Which of the Mogabo?